Hey all, this is Andrew from DAOfi, and I just wanted to show you the early progress on a project that we have going on at DAOfi called MyEth ID. This is still in a clickable prototype stage of the project. It's still in development, and sometimes it's strategic to be stealth with your product roadmap. But in the case of crypto and DAOfi, I feel it's actually more strategic to build open in the public because a lot of our supporters that believe in DAOfi are early adopters and eager fans that want to use the product. So here's an early look at MyEth ID and what we're building here. Basically, what MyEth ID lets you do is create a NFT social profile. It will show all your NFTs you own. And you create your profile by connecting your Ethereum wallet via MetaMask or Wallet Connect. It will require staking a certain amount of DAOfi tokens to use this service. And if you hold the DAOfi tokens, you are able to edit your profile. And you can customize the URL, the color, your image, your name. Your Ethereum wallet is shown on your profile. You can add your Twitter account, your Telegram account, and your profile shows all the NFTs and DAOs you own, DAO tokens. And if you're curious on how this looks, this is basically how the profile looks like. It shows your NFTs, and it's a place to show all of your NFTs and DAO tokens all in one place. And basically, there you can customize this a bit, so you can have different colors and variations of this and change your image. It could be blue, green, red, a bunch of different color varieties on how you can get this page to look like. And the motives for making this project is basically this vision that I have for Web3. If you look at tokens and how tokens are being used since 2017, for the most part, tokens were being used for entrepreneurial projects and allow for community and early supporters of the project to buy a token of support, literally, to support a project and to invest in it. However, as we've seen in 2021, there's a big enough Ethereum community, there's a big enough crypto investor community, and there's such a explosive growth in DeFi applications that the community is starting to get very, 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 very creative on how to use ERC20s and NFTs as other social driven use cases, such as NFT art and such as DAO tokens like Karma DAO. And I imagine that this trend of creating tokens for social use cases is only going to grow, and the community is only going to get more creative on what NFTs and ERC20s can do in a social context. And with that comes the need for a Web3 profile, because the NFTs you own and the DAOs that you're part of really become a part of your identity and can express who you are. And this product aims to facilitate a way to express yourself and to represent yourself in a way that's unique. And it's a Web3 footprint to show the world what DAOs you're a part of and what NFTs you own. And you can express that via showcasing the NFTs and ERC20 DAO tokens in your wallet. And you can express that by creating a URL on MyEth ID and then putting that URL in various social profiles on the internet. Like you could put this URL, it could be myeth.id/ali. You can put that on Twitter or Telegram or wherever else you want to link to. In addition, we will be rolling out this product in a staged rollout with a waitlist. Main incentives and reasons being is because we want to make sure that this product doesn't have terrible bugs and scale too quickly. So as part of this rollout, which will happen in the coming weeks, there will be a wait list, and people can join the wait list by tweeting, and we'll honor the wait list by the earliest tweets received on Twitter. So that's a bit about DAOfi, and I think big picture here, I think that 2021 for DeFi and crypto is really interesting in the areas of how people create tokens for social use cases. They could be DAOs, they could be NFTs, they could be tokenizing your time and selling it via NFT, they could be subscription NFTs. We're at an interesting evolution point in crypto where people and the community is getting very, very creative on different applications for ERC20s and NFTs. So that's a bit about MyEth ID, and stay tuned for timeline updates on when this will ship and when it will be available. Thanks.